Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Temu activity page tutorial. So before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And guys, now with that said, once you are on Temu, in order for you to find the activity page, it's just simply tap on U here at the middle. And from here on the U, just go to settings on the top right corner of the screen beside the headset icon over here. And now it will redirect you to the settings. And from here, guys, just simply go to notifications. And here on the notifications, you will have here various options that you can choose from. So from here, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here customers activity, and from here, just simply tap on edit over here and make sure to turn this on in order for you to keep up with the latest shopping trends. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!